Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be starting my new tutorial series on getting started with Python. Let's get started. Alright, so quickly before I get started, I want to give you a quick explanation on what Python is. Python is a programming language. It is very easy to learn. It is very popular amongst programmers. It's one of my favorite programming languages, and it's the first one that I have ever learned. So you can trust me in this tutorial series. So to get started, you won't immediately be brought to this page. What you'll be on is on the home page somewhere. Not here. Home. So you'll be brought here. Now, what you want to do is click on new REPL, put Python here and give it a name, like name here. I've already created a REPL, so I'm just going to scroll down here, click on Python tutorial, spelled that wrong. Well, I can easily correct that. Tutorial. That's better. So now, I want to first explain what a data type is. So this is like really basic programming. What a data type is essentially a piece, essentially like a type of data. So this is a string. A string is just a piece of text. So this is a string. Next, so I just put str. That is how you reference it. So str equals string. Next, an int. One int is this number. So it could be 1, 2, 3. So int, aka integers, are just numbers. Next, we have a float. And what a float is just a decimal. It's like 0.123. This is a float, a decimal. There's also a list, which is just you know. There's also lists and diffs, but I'm not gonna get into those in like these first few videos. So, as for data types, the three main fundamental ones are strings, integers, and floats. Alright. So now we know what a data type is and what it does. I am just going to type print. Alright, I'm back. Sorry I had a little interruption. But now that we understand what data type is, or what data types are, we can now make a hello world program. So we're going to put print, two parentheses. Don't worry, we'll get into what this is. But they want to put a string here. Remember, strings, data types. We're just going to put hello world. Now we can click on the run button. And then we get hello world in the console. We can also print other things like by world or by nothingness. Basically anything. So I think that's gonna be it for this first video. It was pretty basic. You know, if we had to install Python, that would have taken a lot longer. But we're using a web browser, so it's pretty simple. And in the next video, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do in the next video. I'm probably gonna talk about what print does and how you can create your own print or something like that. So anyways, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.